Hello guys, good morning everyone. This is Guider Alan Ramos, also known as Guider. Okay, I'm here to present this Icon company. All right, I'm sure na excited na po tayong lahat to know about Icon and how this works and how are we going to earn with this. So stay tuned. For now, I'm going to play the video presentation of the company. Okay, guys, that is the company profile of the of ICANN and its plan until 2020. Okay, 2 years time. All right. So ngayon, explain naman natin what is ICANN. Okay, so konting recap with that company profile, video profile, and then we're going to tackle the marketing plan later. Okay, and maybe on the next video is the marketing plan, but for now is full on the company profile. So what we're into is into the ICANN. All right, this ICANN it is from Malaysia, owner by a name JMax. All right, and this ICANN is coming from Malaysia, and now they are introducing to other companies, just like here in the Philippines. All right, so the company, the admin, the people behind this ICANN solution has already 25 years of experience in network business, finance, and banking. All right, and ICANN Solutions business sectors are into property, beverages, food and beverages, agriculture, investment, and solar technology. And ICANN Solutions already tied up with these companies like ICANN Sandalwood, we have the ICANN Pentagon, we have the ICANN Veggie Express India, we have ICANN Agro, okay, ICANN Cafe, ICANN Mart, and our very own from the Philippines is the Glucorp Technologies. All right, and ICANN Solution country expansions will be the good thing is it started with Malaysia, Singapore, and now they are into these countries just like Philippines, our very own, China, Indonesia, Vietnam, Thailand, and Taiwan. And soon the countries we're going in the future is Cambodia, Laos, Bangladesh, Australia, Korea, Japan, and lots of more countries that we are going into. And now, as we said that it started in Malaysia, that's why the Agro Golden Melon Factory, which is owned by the company, is in the location of that Malaysia. All right, this is the plantation of the golden melon. They are not using soil. They are just this is a technology. They are using water para lumaguto at mamunga. And the good thing is, pwede rin kahit anong hugis or whatever shape we want to be, and gaano katamis yung product is pwede natin gawin because it is a technology. Okay, and then we have this ICANN Mart. This is para siyang 7-Eleven, rather than 7-Eleven, that we can have to later na pwede tayo mag-invest here para maging may-ari tayo. Alright, we can invest here, we can share each member can share here para maging mag-profit, and the value of the shares will increase. Alright, and we have this ICANN Cafe just like Starbucks. Alright, pwede rin tayong maging may-ari nito in the near future. Okay, to be discussed that, and ICANN Solution is in the Properties Pentagon Iskander Project 2. Okay, and now that Agro Golden Melon Factory is already in Indonesia. Okay, nandun na rin siya si Golden Factory, ibig sabihin meron na pong nag-invest for this. Okay, may mga nag-share na, and this is again the factory, the plantation, which is kung saan pupunta po kami dito by April dun sa mga qualified members na nag-qualified dun sa promo. So we're going to April in Malaysia by this April, end of April. That's the tentative date. And then we have ICANN Mart is nasa Indonesia na rin. Okay, meron ng ICANN Mart doon. Okay, we have the ICANN Cafe, meron na rin sa Indonesia. And our very own digital travel services company, the name of the company is Glucorp Technologies. So this is Glucorp Technologies is ano po to, kumbaga just in case, assuming that you are a foreigner and you go into this country, Philippines, so everything services, the accommodations of hotel, the car rentals, and everything is nandito na po. Okay, they tied up with Icon Solutions. And this is the clients, okay, the 5-star hotels. Okay, we have this hotel clients. Maybe the Golden Melos is in here na sa mga hotels na to. Alright, this is the market summary. Alright, and this is the revenue potentials. And we have the sandalwood. This is sandalwood, so katied up na rin to ni Icon Solution, the sandalwood. Right, which is ito yung plantation or whatever it is. There are 200 sandalwoods which is nandito siya, which is katied up ni Juan. This is the business, alright, wherein this is the end products of that sandalwood. That means na everything pala dun sa punong kahoy niyan is pwede siyang maging end products. So useful po lahat ng part ng trees na yun, that sandalwood. And we have Veggie Express. So katied up ni Icon Solutions si Veggie Express, which is from India. As we all know that, okay, so if ever we have McDonald's, KFC, Jollibee, Mary Brown, and then we have naman this Veg Express, so pure vegetable po to, vegetarian po tayo. Alright, so Veg Express, okay, so in just the second, that's why Icon Solution tied up with Veg Express. So this is a huge market para lumago yung company natin, the value shares. Okay, in India is the second largest consumer market after China. Alright, so katied up po yan ni Icon Solutions. Okay, and this is the population ng India. Okay, increases to 40% yung vegetarian. Okay. Okay. So again, so mga yung Icon Coffee na to, Icon Veg Express, we can have this in the Philippines, just in case na nagsabi si Icon na we're going to have a Veg Express, Icon Cafe, Icon Mart in the Philippines. So we can have that kapag nasa website, nasa CV niya, and then we share, okay, we invest for that, okay, then we're going to have a profit, syempre, dahil tayo isa sa mga may-ari nito. Alright, so this is the menu. So kung meron tayo mga McDonald's, so I think we have concern na rin tayo sa health natin for now. Right, that's why I think we have to eat these vegetables. All right, we have to patronize this company Icon and this Veg Express. At least we will earn from that. Okay. Okay. So ang main plan talaga ni Icon Solution is by 2020. Okay. If not all of them, those companies, those products of these companies will go into OTC markets or Nasdaq. OTC market and Nasdaq. These are the just like Philippine Stock Exchange, right? OTC markets and Nasdaq is in from New York, I think. Okay, this is the world international stock exchange around the world. That's why every products or every companies that we have tied up, ang plan po ni Icon Solutions is they go into Nasdaq and OTC. That's why at least the value shares of this will increase. All right, and ang unang magbe-benefit is the members itself, the Icon members itself. All right, and thank you. For that, this is the company profile. Now we're going to the marketing plan. In the next video, I'm going to do the marketing plan. Stay tuned. All right. See you in the next video, the part 2 of this discussion of this presentation of Icon Solutions. Thank you so much.